Japanese only has 5 vowel sounds as compared to English, which has about 13 or 14 different vowel sounds. This is how the 5 vowel sounds in Japanese look in their Roman alphabet form or romaji, in their hiragana form, and their katakana form. We'll talk about kanji on another day because that's a whole different thing. Now, let's take a look at how to pronounce these sounds properly. If you can pronounce these 5 vowel sounds accurately, you've got all the Japanese vowel sounds down and ready to go. いいですか? Let's practice them together. Please repeat after me. あ、い、う、え、お. When you practice these sounds on your own time, give them equal timing, equal emphasis. So think of it like a rhythm. あ、い、う、え、お. あ、い、う、え、お. And there you've got it. People often say that Japanese is made up of syllables. They're actually called mora, but basically what this means is that sounds in Japanese are a combination of consonant plus vowel, except for one sound. Here's an example hiragana chart by a Japanese pod. You'll see across the side here, a, I, U, E, O, the 5 vowel sounds that we practiced just the other day, and across the top you'll see all the different consonant sounds that exist in Japanese. The way this chart works is that you combine a consonant sound at the top and a vowel sound on the side to get ka, sa, ta, na, and so on and so forth. There are some exceptions to the rule. So for example, S plus E is not C, it's shi. We also have chi and tsu, and not hu, it's hu. You might have noticed that over here off to the side doesn't fall under the category as the rest of them, but we'll talk about that next time. Just like with the vowels, when you practice these sounds, give it a rhythm. A, I, U, E, O. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Okay, now that you've gotten a hang of all of the kana that we have in Japanese, let's take a look at actually has a number of different pronunciations. Here they are for all you linguist nerds just like me. This is what the symbols are in the International Phonetic Alphabet. We have and Here are the example words: me, no, sing. So these 3 sounds exist in English. This last one does not. If you want to know which pronunciation actually takes, all you need to know is the context. So for example, hon, meaning book, is this sound that doesn't exist in English. It's a uvular sound, so it's pronounced at the back of the mouth. The next one, sampo, meaning walk or stroll, is an M sound, sampo. This eng sound here is for words like tenki, minna. Depending on what sound comes after how it is pronounced will change. And there you have it, super condensed version of how to pronounce in Japanese. Alright, I hope I can answer this in 60 seconds. Basically, romaji, or using a Roman alphabet to describe Japanese sounds, is a little bit problematic sometimes because even though sounds can be expressed in a similar or somewhat accurate way, it's not always exactly a one-to-one. The Japanese hu sound is spelled with an F if you look at the romaji. However, the sound is actually what is called a bilabial fricative. It means it's made with the lips, but you don't exactly close your lips, which is different from the English F sound. So, versus f. Can you see the difference there? The H sound is actually pronounced way at the back where there's a partial blockage of air there as well. Hope that helps! I didn't actually have one, so here it is. As you know, in Japanese, we have rarirurero, which is often written with an English R in romaji, but it doesn't sound like that at all. The English sound we have is written like this in the phonetic alphabet. The Japanese rarirurero d sound is actually written like this. And what it is a tap. So what happens is we tap our tongue, the tip of our tongue, to the area just behind our top front teeth. And this sound exists in a whole bunch of other languages, so if you can speak any of these, then you probably find it super easy. If you think of rarirurero as a hybrid sound between an L and a D, that'll probably be really helpful. If you want more tips and a bit more detailed explanation on how to pronounce this sound, how to practice it, feel free to check out this IGTV video that I did last summer. Hai, ganbatte kudasai! Now that we've looked at all the different building blocks of Japanese and their kana or moraic forms, let's take a look at Amenbo no Uta by Kitahara Hakushu. This is a song that is even used by native Japanese speakers to warm up before they go on TV. Let's go through it together. Amenbo akai na aiue o ukimo ni koebi mo oyoideru kaki no ki kuri no ki kakiku keko kitsutsuki kotsu kotsu kare keyaki. This song has lots and lots of verses, so it goes through all the different sounds that exist in Japanese. If you want to come check it out with me, find me on YouTube and we'll see you there! That's an awesome question. Here in hiragana, we see amenbo with the and same down here with the In English, in Romaji, I have written it with an M, and I will tell you why. In the video I made about all the different ways that we can pronounce in Japanese, these were the different pronunciations that I introduced. These are the international phonetic alphabet symbols, and in the case of amenbo, it actually falls under this category here. So it's the same as sampo. You'll see here that even though we write we actually pronounce it as an M. In linguistics terms, it's actually called nasal place assimilation. And what happens is the nasal sound, or the sounds that we have in language, they get pronounced in different parts of the mouth, and it moves depending on the sound that comes after this nasal sound. In the case of amenbo or sampo, since the following sound is P or B, the nasal sound becomes an M sound.